Hey guys, so welcome. I am going to show you how to hull your sprouts and get them prepared for eating. Sprouts are almost a superfood, I would say, and they provide so much nutrients and minerals and vitamins that you just can't get otherwise. And they're probably one of the easiest things to grow and the most rewarding because of how quickly they grow. So here we go. I'm going to show you how to hull your sprouts. So this is one of our beloved China rose radish. This is an organic seed, so organic radish. And we put these are kind of spicy, and so we like to put these in all sorts of things like taco salads. We eat a ton of wraps, so we love to put these in those. Anyhow, I love when you kind of lift it up, you can see it's almost like a little carpeted area. So this is how they are growing along the bottom. Germination for the China rose radish is 2 to 5 days, so really fast return. And it's, you know, if you plant these in staggered increments, you can have fresh sprouts every few days. Of course, we don't eat this entire thing. Usually for our family, which is of 5, we'll have about half of this. Because we do appreciate the flavors, so we love these and kind of pile them on. So all I'm going to do is just kind of turn my running water on here and going to fill up my tray. I'm just kind of moving and loosening the root bases around. I'm going to wait till it's near full, and I'm just going to begin kind of manipulating and kind of massaging through the sprouts. If you can see along the edges, you see the seeds kind of surfacing, so those are what we're trying to remove. You can eat those, but removing them and just skimming them off the top allows you to store them for a little bit longer. So I'm just going to dump those off as they surface. There still are many in here, so I'll do this for a series of, I don't know, 3 to 4 times until I can see that these little seeds have been, for the most part, removed. I'm not so concerned with removing all of them, but just most of them. Okay, so this probably, from start to finish, the process takes maybe 3 minutes, 5 minutes or so. But as you can see, what's left in my sink are the shells to the seeds. And so this is obviously where they sprouted from. So those can just get washed down. As you can see, I have very minimal amount of sprouts left in my sink. So because it's my sink and I know that it's clean and we're using these for our personal consumption, I personally would probably just pick these out, give them another rinse, and then put them back with the rest of the group. So from here, I will take my sprouts. I'm just going to set them here in the bottom of my sink so you can see, and place them in a storage jar that we have a lid for. And I'm just kind of piling these in there. Make sure I gather all that I have. And then of course you can see there's a few left in the bottom, so I'm obviously not going to worry about draining those off into mine. So I'll just rinse my tray out, and these are our beautiful sprouts. I'll keep these in the fridge for probably 3 to 5 days, maybe up to a week depending on the sprout. Some of them last a little bit longer, and it also depends on the sprouting process that I allowed them to go through. So if I let them sprout much longer, then their storage time is going to be less. Of course, that's just the obvious. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to kind of run through a quick time lapse to show you. I've got fenugreek as well, just the hulling process with that. So good luck with your sprouts. Thanks for watching. This is my organic fenugreek sprouts. These have been sprouting for about 4 days, and they are ready. So I'm going to show you how to hull these as well. Hulling sprouts is going to be fairly the same. So you'll just run them under water. You can use a strainer, but this is what works best for me, so I'll show you how I do this. So just want to let you know that there was approximately a tablespoon of seeds, and this is what it gave me, about 1.5 cups of sprouts. So really good return.